Hi everyone, it's ASKA here. Today, I'll show you how to extend your nails using nail strips. You might have already heard about these trendy nail strips that harden under a nail lamp, but did you know they can also be used for nail extensions? If you just stick them on, the tips will look flat and won't have much strength. But with the method I'm about to share, you can get beautifully curved extensions that follow the natural shape of your nails. So let's dive in. Here's what we'll be using. Gel nail strips that cure under a lamp. These are now available from many different brands, so choose your favorite design. Make sure to pick stickers that are longer than your natural nails to allow for the extension. Before we start, prep your nails by doing a basic nail care routine and wiping them with ethanol to remove any oils. This step is key for making the results last. Once the oils are removed, apply your base gel. If you want your nails to last about 3 weeks, use a regular base gel. If you're planning to remove them within a week, use a peel-off base instead. Choose based on how long you want your nails to stay on. Applying base gel before the nail strips will also smooth out the surface, making them look better and last longer. Once you've applied the base, cure it under the lamp. Next, wipe off the tacky layer left on the surface. Soak a piece of kitchen paper with ethanol and gently wipe it down. If you skip this step, the nail strips won't stick well and may peel off. Now it's time to apply the nail strip. Be careful when choosing the size. Too large and it'll touch your skin, causing it to lift later. Choose one that fits your nail exactly or is just a tiny bit smaller. And when removing the nail strip from its backing, be sure not to touch it with your fingers, as the oils from your skin can affect adhesion. Instead, use tweezers and lift it from the tip end. Place it about 1/16 inch away from the base of your nail. And stretch it gently as you press it on. Use a silicone pusher to firmly press out any air. If you don't have a pusher, you can press it using your finger through a piece of plastic wrap or a vinyl sheet. So here's the most important step for achieving a nice shape. Cover the nail with a nail tip before curing. If you cure it as is, the tip will look flat and awkward. To prevent that, place a nail tip over your nail before curing it. Use extension nail tips or dual forms for PolyGel. Gently smooth out any wrinkles using a wooden stick. Now cure it under the lamp with the tip in place. After curing, remove the nail tip. The nail shape looks beautiful, and the curve of the nail feels perfectly natural. No awkward flatness. However, while it has some firmness, it's still a bit too thin to feel secure for everyday use. It looks like it might collapse or bend if any pressure is applied. So from here, we'll start adding thickness to the nail strip. First, turn the nail over and apply a non-wipe top coat to the underside. This area is still tacky. Be careful not to get any gel on your skin and apply it as close to the edge as possible. Once applied, cure it under the lamp. Next, we'll apply a hard gel to the surface. Don't use regular base gel, it's not strong enough. Use a hard gel, builder gel, or extension gel. Apply it over the entire nail and cure. Next, check the hardness. If it still feels thin, apply a second coat. Once you've built up enough thickness, wipe off the tacky layer with ethanol or gel cleanser on kitchen paper. Now let's shape the nail. If it's too long, use a nail clipper to trim it down carefully. Cutting straight across can cause the nail to crack, so trim it little by little instead. Once shortened, file it into your desired shape. Then, wipe off the dust with ethanol or cleanser. To finish, apply a non-wipe top coat over the entire nail. Be sure to cover the free edge as well, including the tip's cross-section. This helps your nails last longer. Once fully coated, cure it under the lamp. And we're done! The once flimsy nail strip is now rock solid. Key tips include shaping with a nail tip, applying a non-wipe top coat underneath, and layering a strong gel around 2 times. It's a great shortcut if you want to skip complex nail art. So definitely give it a try. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please hit the like button. And if you like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye.